Ever crave something so delicious, yet it's actually illegal where you live? The US has banned these 7 foods, but in other countries, they're just part of the menu. From toxic cheeses to raw delicacies, you won't believe what's banned and why. Stick around because number 1 is banned for a reason you'll never guess. Cheese that oozes live maggots, horse meat on the dinner table, even turtle soup gets the axe. Let's take a bite out of the world's most controversial cuisine. Let's start light. Kinder Surprise eggs. Banned in the US not because of the chocolate, but the tiny toy inside. US law prohibits non-food items embedded in food, making Kinder eggs a choking hazard. Meanwhile, in Europe, they're childhood nostalgia in a foil wrapper. That's right, your snack is illegal, because it's too fun. Next up, haggis. Scotland's national dish is a savory blend of sheep's heart, liver, lungs, and oats, all stuffed into a stomach casing. What's not to love? In the US, sheep lungs are banned from food products, so real haggis is off the table. You can get Americanized versions, but Scots would rather skip dinner. In France, horse meat is tender, lean, and totally normal. In the US, it's taboo, and largely illegal to slaughter horses for meat. It's not because of safety, it's emotional. Horses are seen more like pets than food. So while the French are enjoying steak de cheval, Americans are saying nay. This one sounds fancy, but it's really just congealed blood sausage. Yup, black pudding made from pig's blood, oats, and fat. In some parts of the US, it's banned under health regulations due to how blood is processed. But in the UK, it's a breakfast staple, right next to your eggs and toast. Bloody delicious, some say. Now this one's fancy and controversial. Ortolan, a tiny songbird eaten whole, bones and all. Traditionally, you eat it with a napkin over your head, not for the smell, but to hide your shame from God. Yeah, that's real. It's technically banned in France too, but underground gourmet circles still serve it. In the US, big no. Protected species. Massive fines. No napkins can save you. Ready to gag? Meet casu marzu, the infamous maggot cheese from Sardinia, Italy. This cheese is literally infested with live insect larvae that help break it down into a soft, gooey spread. Some eat it with the maggots. Others, well, nope. US food safety laws say, hard pass. In Sardinia, it's a delicacy. You bring it to weddings, the cheesiest gift. At number 1, foie gras, French for fatty liver. Made by force-feeding ducks or geese until their livers swelled 10x their normal size. Animal rights groups? Outraged. California banned it. NYC tried. Other states followed. But in France, it's considered culinary royalty, served at weddings, holidays, presidential dinners. Gourmet to some, cruel to others. Foie gras is the most debated bite on the planet. From maggot cheese to toy-filled chocolate, the US says nope to some foods the rest of the world says yum to. Which one would you try? And which one should stay banned forever? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Your taste buds and gag reflex might disagree. Like this video if it made you rethink your grocery list. Subscribe for more weird food facts, banned bites, and international cravings.